In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Mailchimp. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your dashboard. From there, look toward the top navigation and click on Campaigns. This is your central hub for everything you'll send out, and it keeps your emails, ads, and automations organized in one place. Next, click on Create. Mailchimp will guide you into the flow for building a new campaign. You'll see an internal name field. Click into that and add a name. This name is just for you and your team, so make it descriptive and easy to search later. For example, you might include the audience, the purpose, and the date. A clear naming convention saves a lot of time when you're managing multiple campaigns. Now, go to the basic layout first. This is a great starting point because it gives you clean, flexible structures that work well on both desktop and mobile. Select and choose your layout based on how much content you have. If you want something minimal and easy to customize, a single column layout is often best. When you've picked the one you like, click on Apply. If you prefer complete control with no preset structure, you can also click on Start from Scratch. Either path works. The idea is to begin with a framework that matches your message. Inside the editor, navigate on content blocks. You'll see common building blocks like headings, images, paragraphs, buttons, and more. These can be dragged and dropped onto the canvas, which makes it simple to shape your email as you go. Start by clicking on Heading and dragging it into the canvas. Place it at the top so your readers immediately know what the email is about. Then type in the heading. Keep it short, clear, and benefit focused. You can adjust the font, size, and color on the right-hand panel to match your brand. Consistency here helps your audience recognize you at a glance. Next, click on Image and drag it where you want it under the heading. Then click on Add. You can browse the image from your folders or from your uploaded content. Choose a file that's optimized for email, crisp, not too large, and relevant to your message. If you have the option, include alt text so that subscribers who block images or use screen readers still understand what's being shown. Now click on Paragraph and drag it beneath your image. Click on the paragraph block to activate the editor and start typing your paragraph or the context of the news. Keep your copy scannable with short sentences and clear language. If you're announcing something, lead with the main point in the first line. If you're educating, outline the key benefit early. Remember, many readers skim on mobile, so make the first few words count. As you refine your content, take a moment to check spacing and alignment. A bit of white space around your heading, image, and paragraph makes the email easier to read and improves overall clarity. If you adjust styles like font size or color, keep them consistent across blocks for a professional look. Once done, click on Save and Exit. This captures your changes and takes you back to the main campaign screen. It's a good habit to save as you go, but this final save ensures everything is stored exactly as you designed it. When you're ready to launch, click on Send. Mailchimp will guide you through any remaining required details before delivery. Give your content one last glance to make sure the heading, image, and paragraph look right, and that everything reflects your intended message. And that's it. You've created and sent a simple Mailchimp campaign from start to finish.